Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most inspiring architecture and interior design trends shaping the future of modern living. Today, we're stepping inside a soft contemporary home designed for 2026, where warm modern aesthetics meet clean architectural lines. This house tour is not just about visual beauty, but about comfort, functionality, and emotional connection. If you love spaces that feel luxurious yet cozy, minimal yet inviting, you're going to love this home. From the very first glance, this soft contemporary home makes a quiet yet powerful statement. The facade blends smooth stucco walls with natural stone accents and warm wood paneling. Large black-framed windows create contrast while allowing natural light to flood the interior. The rooflines are clean and slightly asymmetrical, giving the house a modern edge without feeling too sharp or industrial. It feels balanced, refined, and welcoming. As we step through the oversized wooden pivot door, the entryway immediately sets the tone. A double-height ceiling creates openness, while soft indirect lighting highlights textured walls. A minimalist console table paired with a sculptural mirror adds personality without clutter. The color palette is warm neutral, creamy whites, taupe, and soft beige, creating a calming transition from the outside world into the home's serene interior. The heart of the home unfolds into an open-concept living space that seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. The layout encourages flow and interaction, making it perfect for modern family life. Soft curves in the furniture design soften the linear architecture, reinforcing the gentle elegance that defines soft contemporary style. In the living room, a low-profile sectional sofa in textured linen anchors the space. A large area rug adds warmth underfoot, while layered lighting, recessed lights, wall sconces, and a statement pendant creates depth. The fireplace wall features subtle vertical paneling, adding texture without overwhelming the room. Every element feels intentional, designed to offer both visual harmony and everyday comfort. The kitchen reflects 2020 SAX's warm modern evolution. Flat panel cabinetry in light oak pairs beautifully with matte cream upper cabinets. A waterfall edge island in quartz becomes both a functional workspace and a social hub. Integrated appliances maintain a seamless look, while brushed brass fixtures introduce subtle sophistication. The design feels contemporary but never cold, prioritizing natural materials and soft finishes. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area feels intimate yet connected. A solid wood dining table with rounded edges sits beneath a sculptural chandelier. Upholstered dining chairs in warm fabric tones enhance comfort. Large sliding glass doors open to the backyard patio, allowing natural light to define the mood throughout the day. It's a space designed for both everyday meals and meaningful gatherings. One of the defining features of this home is its indoor-outdoor integration. The living area extends to a covered patio with comfortable lounge seating and an outdoor fireplace. Natural stone flooring continues from inside to outside, visually expanding the space. Landscaping is minimalist yet lush, with ornamental grasses and olive trees adding texture. This connection to nature enhances the home's sense of tranquility. Moving into the primary bedroom, the atmosphere becomes even more serene. A neutral upholstered bed frame sits against a softly textured accent wall. Warm bedside lighting and layered bedding create a hotel-like experience. Large windows with sheer curtains diffuse sunlight gently, maintaining privacy while maximizing brightness. The room feels like a personal sanctuary designed for rest and restoration. The primary bathroom continues the theme of calm luxury. Large format porcelain tiles mimic natural stone, while a freestanding soaking tub becomes the focal point. A floating vanity with under-cabinet lighting enhances the modern aesthetic. Frameless glass showers keep the space visually open. Every detail, from the fixtures to the color palette, supports a spa-like atmosphere within the home. In 2026, flexibility is essential, and this home office reflects that shift. Custom built-in shelving provides storage without clutter. A warm wood desk positioned near a window ensures natural light during work hours. Acoustic wall panels subtly enhance sound quality for virtual meetings. The space feels professional yet comfortable, proving that productivity and design can coexist beautifully. The secondary bedrooms maintain the same soft contemporary identity while offering individual character. Soft pastel accents and layered textiles create warmth. Built-in wardrobes maximize storage and maintain clean lines. Each room feels thoughtfully curated, ensuring comfort for guests or family members. The consistent material palette throughout the home strengthens its overall architectural cohesion. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining this home's ambience. Instead of harsh overhead fixtures, the design uses layered lighting strategies: ambient, task, and accent. LED strip lighting highlights architectural details, while warm color temperatures create intimacy. During the evening, the house transforms into a glowing sanctuary, emphasizing how lighting design shapes emotional experience. Beyond aesthetics, this soft contemporary home integrates sustainability and smart technology. Energy-efficient windows, solar panels, and advanced insulation reduce environmental impact. Smart home systems control lighting, climate, and security with ease. These innovations are seamlessly integrated, ensuring that technology enhances comfort without disrupting the home's warm and minimalist aesthetic. As we conclude this soft contemporary house tour 2026, it's clear that modern design is evolving toward warmth, softness, and intentional living. This home proves that contemporary architecture doesn't have to feel cold or impersonal. By combining clean lines, natural materials, thoughtful lighting, and smart functionality, it creates a space that feels both luxurious and deeply human. If this tour inspired you, imagine how these ideas could transform your own home.